too.
See, I be keeping a bunch of youngins with me because they do whatever the fuck I say do, nigga. G-Unit. I get your ass laid out this motherfucker, nigga.
It's good, nigga. G-Unit.
Bang, bang, nigga.
Fuckers up, nigga.
Yeah, G-Unit, nigga. All that shit, hot shit. G-Unit, G-Unit.
New York, baby.
G-Unit, what's up? It's good, baby. Act up, you get clapped up, nigga.
G-Unit. Hey, that's that nigga Lloyd Banks right there. Yo, he's a fake ass tough guy. He ain't that hard. Let me tell you, nigga.
A whole bunch of shredded holes in the hood for me to pick up.
Oh, now you got the tags. I got new tags, nigga. Oh, what's up, nigga? They got me taking pictures today. Sexy motherfucking pictures today, nigga. I threw the butter knife away, cause Sharp Punk ass, where's Sharp Punk ass at? Sharp Punk ass is coming, that's that nigga at that butter knife. You see, I done got something a little better than a butter knife now. In case a nigga wanna pop off, they can start that shot, finish it for him. But we not here for that shit. We here to have a good time and a successful trip without any casualties.